Want to turn your awesome designs into a booming apparel business without dealing with the hassle of inventory and printing? First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for the Apliiq Dropship app. It's your golden ticket to seamless integration. Once you've located the Apliiq app, click the Install button and grant the necessary permissions to connect it to your Shopify store. Now, hop over to Apliiq, create an account, and explore their vast catalog of customizable apparel from shirts and hoodies to hats and more. Next, use Apliiq's user-friendly design tools to upload your artwork and customize the products to your liking. Play around with placement, colors, and sizes to get your designs just right. Once you're happy with your designs, connect the products to your Shopify store by clicking the Connect to Shopify button. This syncs all the product details directly into your Shopify store. With Apliiq handling the manufacturing and fulfillment, you can focus on marketing your brand and growing your business. It's that simple.